Let's get straight to the point. XRP just touched $3 recently, and despite this milestone, many investors are still complaining. Crypto researcher Anderson doesn't understand why. In fact, he finds it frustrating. In his own words, people are hunting for overnight riches and can't hold for even a few months. Now, let's unpack what's really happening here. XRP has seen a solid price increase. Back in November, it was trading around 50 cents. Today, it's hovering near the $3 mark. That's a 6x gain in just 8 months. Yet, on social media, especially X, formerly Twitter, people are expressing disappointment, saying the price isn't moving fast enough. Some are even opening new short positions, betting that the price will drop again. Anderson's point is clear. Instead of looking at how far XRP has come, many are focusing on what they think they're missing out on. This is a common behavior in crypto investing: impatience and unrealistic expectations. Other community voices jumped in to offer explanations. One perspective is that many investors are comparing XRP to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which dominate headlines. While those coins have also performed well, a 5-year return on investment comparison actually shows XRP outperforming them. But that fact doesn't always satisfy short-term traders. Another voice in the discussion is King Karen. He suggests that people complaining now are likely those who bought XRP around $2, hoping for instant gains. Since the price has not yet skyrocketed beyond that point, they haven't seen the life-changing profits they expected. And that brings us to an important theme: hype. According to user Theophilus, part of the blame lies with the XRP community itself. Influencers have been hyping up the coin, claiming that it would create millionaires in this bull cycle. But those lofty predictions can backfire. When reality doesn't match the fantasy, frustration sets in. Sasha Banachek, another X-user, even admitted that he got caught up in that hype himself. And then we have extreme forecasts that feed this hype. Jay Claver from Digital Ascension Group predicted XRP would hit $2,000 within 7 months. For that to happen, XRP would need to increase more than 65,000% from current levels. That would mean a total market cap of over $118 trillion. For context, that's more than 5 times the entire GDP of the United States. Similarly, Shannon Thorpe predicted XRP would reach between $100 and $500 by mid-2024. But when that deadline passed and XRP had actually dropped, she acknowledged that her forecast was wrong. These examples show the danger of relying too much on predictions. When investors buy based on hype and forecasts instead of facts and patience, disappointment is inevitable. So, what do we take away from all this? First, XRP has actually performed very well in recent months. But in the world of crypto, expectations often move faster than reality. Many investors want to get rich quickly, and when that doesn't happen, they turn to blame, either on the project, on influencers, or on the broader market. Second, we need to be more critical of the sources we trust. Predictions like $2,000 per XRP might sound exciting, but are they realistic? Do they align with actual market trends, supply constraints, or institutional interest? Finally, the crypto space rewards patience more often than speculation. Instead of chasing moonshot predictions, maybe it's time to step back and appreciate consistent, long-term gains, like XRP rising from 50 cents to $3 in 8 months. To wrap this up, the real issue might not be XRP's price performance. The issue may lie with the expectations placed on it. If we shift from hype-driven thinking to fact-based analysis, we might actually start to appreciate progress rather than complain about the pace.